If solving an equation leads to an equation that is always false, for example, 5 equals 3, 5 never equals 3, right? So that's an equation that's always false. Or 0 equals 2, then the original equation is also always false because the two equations are equivalent. In this case, we say that the original equation is a contradiction. So you have to know what that means, know that word, contradiction. That's when you end up getting something, you follow all the rules for equivalent equations, simplifying equivalent equations, and you get something like 5 equals 3 or 0 equals 2, something that's obviously false. That's called a contradiction. There is no solution. So this is the no solution case. And when you enter this on the computer, it'll say no solution, and there'll be a dot next to it that you click on the dot, you select no solution. The solution set is the empty set, which can be written as a 0 with a line through it. Often we just write empty set. So here's an example. We have 2x minus x plus 5 minus 3 equals 4x minus 3x plus 4. Combine like terms on the left and on the right, and we get, combining like terms on the left, we get x plus 2. And combining like terms on the right, we get x plus 4. Subtract x from both sides, we get 2 equals 4, which is false. It's always false. Therefore, the original is a contradiction. The original equation is a contradiction, and there's no solution. The solution set is the empty set. It's always false, so no solution. No value of x makes 2 equals 4. 2 equal to 4. A conditional equation is an equation with a countable number of solutions. So for us, this will mean a finite number of solutions. So what it's really saying is that it's not a contradiction and it's not an identity. The last two special cases that I've given you. So it's not one of those special cases. So most of the equations that we solve are conditional equations. So, for example, an equation with finitely many solutions is a conditional equation. Examples 1, 2, and 3 are conditional equations. You can go back and look at those. We got one answer on each of them. So for the linear equations, we'll get one solution if it's a conditional equation. Most equations we solve are conditional, but watch out for identities and contradictions.